Hello techies, welcome to Microsoft Power Automate tutorials. In this module, we will learn how to submit a flow as a template. Alright, let me switch to Microsoft Power Automate portal. Click on My Flows. Under My Flows and Team Flows, you will find lot of flows which we have created as part of previous sessions, right? Now, one of the flow I'm going to select it and I'm going to create or submit as a flow. I will show you how to do that. I'm going to select leave approval flow, select that. On the topmost, you will find different options. So in this session, our agenda is that how to submit a flow as a template, right? So that over here we are having an option called submit as template. Select that. Over here you will get a lot of options. The first one is template title. What is the template of this template which you are going to submit? I'm going to give a name as create leave approval form. In the same way, I'm going to give the description also over here. The description about this entire template. I will just give leave approval form by using MS Forms. And what is the biggest benefit? Leave approval. And then the number of users I can use it. I can use one person. And after that, number of runs, I can say unlimited. And after that, the main thing is the categories. You will see there are a lot of categories we will find under where you are going to submit this template. I can select any category related to this template. So this is the leave approval form, right? So that I will select approval, as well as I'm going to send an email, right, to the particular person after approval or before approval. So that I will select these two categories. One is approval, another one is email category. Or else if you want to select all the categories also, you can select, because of these are all the check boxes. On the top of that one, if you want to give any custom category, you can go ahead and you can give the name of the custom categories under this one. Okay, so there you are having some of the description over here. You can see by submitting, you give Microsoft the right to publish your template in a public gallery for to use by others. Please don't submit personal information or confidential property content. So this is the main. You are going to submit this template in the public gallery. So please don't provide any kind of confidential information. Now we are going to select this submit button. Click on that. So once you have submitted a flow as a template, that you will get thank you for your submission. Where we can find it, this template over here. Let me go to templates. Over here you will find a lot of categories, right? You can see featured, shared with me, remote work, approval. And you can see right now we have submitted the template under approval as well as the email, right? Let me select this approval. But right now you don't find this template under this category because of the Power Automate team verifies the template, and if there is any modification is required, it will modify your template. If the team's approvals your template, it appears in the public gallery first, and then the respective categories, the template will be appear. Until then, it won't appear in these categories. I hope you understand how to submit a flow as a template as part of this session. Thank you for watching Microsoft Power Automate tutorials. If you have any queries related to this concept, please post them in the comment section. I will see you in the next session. Till then, bye-bye. Have a nice day.